Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the maximum support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have come again. You trust progress the analyst, no leave, no transfer. I will give it to you back to back. I will give it to you the way you want it. And without not wasting much of your time, please.
Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you are. My name is Apostle James Nachichima. I'm no the aware I know you people are aware what is happening lately. They are planning to bring back our Prime Minister just the way they brought back Mazen and they can. Hey, let them continue planning. Have you now understand? Have you now understand what it means to be a prophet? Some of you are still doubting. Mazen Nandekalo said you must listen to Simon Ekpa. You must listen to Simon Ekpa and share his broadcast. Very, very important. Very, very important. And some of you, you believe Mazen Nandekano, and some of you don't believe him. But most of you that believe him is against Simon Ekpa. The same thing that Jesus Christ said to the Pharisee or the Jewish elders, leaders. He said to them, you claim you love me, but you never obey my commandments. You claim you love Mazen Nandekano, but you never obey his commandments, which is listening to Simon Ekpa and share his broadcast. Very, very important. Some of you say that Simon Ekpa is working for Nigerian government. Some of you say that Simon Ekpa is working for Tinubu. Some of you say that Simon Ekpa is working for Hope Uzodinma. But today, the same people you accuse Simon Ekpa working for are the same people that want Simon Ekpa's head. They want Mazi Simon Ekpa's head. The same people you say they are working for. Oyebechoba, Ike Guru Ago DOS, Emma Powerless. I salute you now at the hell honor. At the hell honor. You must do the needful. Do the right thing at the right time. Don't do the right thing at the wrong time. I keep on saying this. Listen to Master Simon Ekpa and give him your support. Support him in any way you know you can. Support him. Listen to him. Support him. He's bringing the new dimension. I just want to remind you people. It's just a reminder. He's bringing a new dimension to this awareness that we are creating. And you must listen to him and share his broadcast. Very, very important. And to you, Simon Ekpa, don't allow demon to enter you. I'm speaking, this is the voice of Master Nandekano. If I praise you, you begin to mess up. Weapon immediately. We continue. Don't allow demons to enter you. And I told you people last time that the demon that Master Nandekano is talking about is DOS. Because in demons, you will see D, you will see O, you will see X. And that's the abbreviation of the demons. DOS. I told you people that DOS is the demon that Master Nandekano is talking about. And thank God that Master Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile, never allowed the demons to enter him. You know why? Because if I name be friend more, if I name or if more, it's not a carnal thing, it's a spiritual thing. And it's only the spiritual who will understand the things of the spirit. I told you people, DOS, I told you people, the thing that happens to you is that You know that Biafra is a spirit, and everybody knows that Biafra is a spirit. But there's something you don't understand or you don't know. You don't know that the spirit can move. That is what you people don't understand. But you know that Biafra is a spirit. So that is why when the spirit is moving, you do not understand it. The only thing you know is a spirit. Biafra is a spirit. Biafra is a spirit. But the spirit is moving, and you never understand. Mazen now they come out and said that Elohim told him that if he can get 100 people who are genuinely just as he is, that Biafra will come. All the millions that was surrounded him, he was looking only but 100 people. Only but 100. And he made the comment, he made the announcement or the broadcast openly. Everybody listened to it, everybody heard it. The DOS, all of them keep quiet. It was only Mazi Simon Ekpa that come up and said to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Enoch of our time. If truly that Elohim says you should look for 100 people and Biafra will come, go and look for 50. I, Simon Ekpa, I am 50 in one. What a pronunciation. Or can I say what a pronouncement message? I am 50 in one. That was when the spirit is moving. But many of you never understand. That was when the spirit is moving. He said, look for 50. Me, Simon Ekpa, I am 50 in one. That is where you will understand that Simon Ekpa has the freedom of Biafra at heart. Because if he did not have the freedom of Biafra at heart, he will keep quiet and be watching, just like all of you were quiet and watching. The spirit is moving, but some of you never understand. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, someone have a interview with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and they put it a live broadcast. And Simon Ekpa asked Mazi Nnamdi Kanu one question. He said, if Nigerian government or United Nations refuse to grant Biafra referendum, what are you going to do? It's a question. If Nigerian government or UN refuse to grant a referendum for the Biafra to exist or decide their fate, what are you going to do? It's a question that Mazi Simon Ekpa asked Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And before Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was about to answer that question, Simon Ekpa jumped in also, interrupted him, and said to him, whatever thing you are going to do, I, Mazi Simon Ekpa, I will be the first person to follow you. The spirit is moving. But some of you are still there, watching. So now, these are the time Mazi Simon Ekpa was taking position. Not to some of you, because many of you are fake. You are not genuine. Because if you are genuine, you would have also be taking your own position. But you are not genuine. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is looking but only 100 people. He's looking but only 100 men. That is holy, pure. While he have millions around him. While he has millions around him, but he was looking but only 100 people. And Simon Ekpa took a bold step and said, I am the first person to follow you. And me, that is first person to follow you, I am 50 in one. Look for other 50. That is how it is. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come up after praying to God. And God said to him, that man, Simon Ekpa, is the man. He's one of them. He's one of the 100 men. Simon Ekpa is one of the 100 men. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come back again and said, you must listen to Simon Ekpa. You must listen to Simon Ekpa. And you must share his broadcast. Very, very important. I just want to remind you this. Eh? No problem. We are watching. We are watching. Mazi Simon Ekpa is only but 50 men in one. So the remaining 50 men, eh? They are still there watching. They are still there watching. You understand? So Nigerian government talking about going for Simon Ekpa. For me, it's not a good idea at all. The only good idea there is conduct a referendum. Conduct a referendum. Conduct a referendum. Because you will finally do that. If you don't do it today, you will do it tomorrow. You must do it. If you don't do it today, you will do it tomorrow. You must do it. And remember, the people that would have witnessed it today might not be the people that witness it tomorrow. That's a reminder. But you must do it. Is it a referendum? Nigerian government will conduct that referendum. And Biafra will decide whether they will stay in Nigeria or they will stay in Biafra. It's as simple as that. Once it is done and we decide to stay in Nigeria, then life continues. We move on. And if we decide to stay in Biafra, life continues. We move on. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Yeah? It is not late. You can still do it. You can still do it. It's not late. It's not late. You can still do it. But if you think that you cannot do it, no problem. No problem. If you think that you cannot do it, no problem. We are watching. We are watching. Is earlier the better. I just want to remind those irats, those DOS, Onemechoba and co, for them to understand that no Chineke mereze na Chineke mego yeze. Onye Chineke meze Chineke mego yeze. Ana agbari. Mazi Simon Ekpa is the right man to follow. And our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, have already instructed us to follow him and listen to him and share his broadcast. And that is exactly what we will be doing. And we are doing it because we understand that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a spiritual man. And what we are doing is a thing of the spirit. And in the things of the spirit, those who are in the spirit understand the things of the spirit. And those who are not in the spirit will be there making noise, causing losers. But our eyes is on the ball. Our eyes is on the ball. Biafra, we must get. Referendum, we must conduct it. Nigerian government, it is better you conduct the referendum, fix the date, and let the Biafra decide. Is earlier the better. It's just a reminder. Earlier the better. If you do it today, you will do it tomorrow. But remember, if you do it tomorrow, those who witness it today will not witness it tomorrow. It's just a reminder. I think I have to stop it here. Maybe all hail Biafra, all hail Biafra, all hail Biafra, all hail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, all hail our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. God bless you all.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.